So, you've got a KitchenAid stand mixer, but did you know it can do so much more than just mix? With the right attachments, it can juice, shred, slice, and even turn veggies into pasta sheets. In this video, we're breaking down the best KitchenAid attachments that take your mixer from a simple baking tool to an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. Let's dive in. KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder Attachment. If you're serious about grinding your own meats, this food grinder is a total game changer. It hooks up to your stand mixer and lets you grind fresh meat right in your kitchen. No extra machines needed. It comes with fine, medium, and coarse plates, plus sausage stuffer tubes for homemade links. The larger food tray means less prep time. And here's a pro tip. Pre-chill it for a cleaner, more precise grind. KitchenAid Pasta Roller and Cutter Attachment. Do you want fresh, homemade pasta at the push of a button? This 3-piece pasta set lets you roll out smooth sheets and cut them into spaghetti or fettuccine with ease. It connects to your KitchenAid stand mixer and gives you 8 thickness settings, so you can go from paper-thin lasagna sheets to hearty, rustic noodles. Stainless steel rollers make sure everything stays precise, and the included cleaning brush keeps it all tidy. KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment. Say goodbye to endless chopping. This food processor attachment lets you dice, slice, shred, and julienne directly into your bowl. Thanks to the exact slice system, you can switch from thick to thin slices with just a lever. No need to swap out blades. The wide feed tube means less prep work, and it even comes with a dicing kit for perfectly uniform cubes. Whether you're prepping veggies, cheese, or fruit, this attachment does it all. KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker Attachment. Turn your stand mixer into an ice cream machine. This 2-quart bowl lets you whip up thick, creamy ice cream, gelato, or sorbet in under 30 minutes. The redesigned dasher ensures everything is mixed and frozen evenly, so you get a perfectly smooth scoop every time. Plus, the new handles make it even easier to attach. Just freeze the bowl ahead of time, churn your ingredients, and boom, homemade ice cream, no extra gadgets needed. KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer and Shredder. Prepping veggies and cheese just got way easier. This slicer/shredder attachment snaps onto your stand mixer and comes with 3 stainless steel blades, one for slicing cucumbers and celery, another for medium shredding, think cheese and firm veggies, and a coarse shredding blade for things like potatoes and cabbage. The 2-in-1 food pusher makes sure even the smallest pieces get sliced properly, and everything stores neatly in a case. The blades are top-rack dishwasher safe. KitchenAid Food Grinder Attachment. Grinding fresh meat, breadcrumbs, or even veggies has never been easier. This food grinder hooks up to your stand mixer and lets you grind ingredients fresh at home. It comes with both fine and coarse grinding plates, so whether you're making juicy burgers or smooth pâtés, you're covered. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can expand its power with a sausage stuffer kit or fruit and vegetable strainer, sold separately. The best part? Everything packs neatly into its own storage case. KitchenAid Fruit and Vegetable Spiralizer Attachment. Who knew eating your veggies could be this fun? The KitchenAid Spiralizer turns fruits and veggies into gorgeous spirals, ribbons, and slices in seconds. It comes with 5 interchangeable blades, perfect for zucchini noodles, curly fries, or even fancy apple slices. Plus, there's an optional peeling blade to make prep even easier. Made of premium metal, this attachment is built to last and connects right to your stand mixer for effortless operation. And when you're done, just pop the blades in the dishwasher. KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press. This gourmet pasta press attachment makes 6 different pasta shapes: spaghetti, bucatini, rigatoni, fusilli, and 2 macaroni sizes. Just attach it, feed in your dough, and watch the magic happen. The built-in wire cutter lets you control the pasta length, and the whole set packs neatly into its own storage case. KitchenAid Shave Ice Attachment. Get ready for a cool treat. This attachment turns plain ice into fluffy, snow-like goodness in just 60 seconds. Freeze water, juice, or even milk-based mixes, then shave and customize with your favorite syrups, sauces, or toppings. Whether it's a classic snow cone, frozen lemonade, or even a boozy slushie, this attachment lets you create the perfect frozen treat at home. And cleanup? Super easy. The removable blade and components are dishwasher safe. KitchenAid All-Metal Grain Mill Attachment. Take your baking to the next level with freshly milled grains. This all-metal grain mill attachment lets you grind wheat, oats, corn, barley, and more right at home. With 12 grind settings, you can go from coarse cracked grains to ultrafine flour in seconds. Just attach it to your stand mixer, set the dial, and let it work its magic. It even comes with a cleaning brush to make switching grains super easy. KitchenAid Sifter Plus Scale Attachment. Precision is essential in baking, and the KitchenAid Sifter Plus Scale Attachment enhances accuracy and consistency. By integrating seamlessly with any KitchenAid stand mixer, this attachment allows for hands-free sifting, gradually incorporating ingredients into the mixing bowl. The built-in scale measures ingredients by weight, ensuring precise results for baked goods. Additionally, the attachment features a generous 4-cup capacity, allowing for efficient ingredient preparation. KitchenAid Fruit and Vegetable Strainer Attachment. For those who frequently prepare sauces, purees, or homemade baby food, this attachment offers a streamlined solution. Designed for use with the KitchenAid food grinder, this attachment efficiently removes seeds and peels while extracting smooth, high-quality purees, ideal for creating tomato sauces, fruit preserves, and other culinary applications. KitchenAid Vegetable Sheet Cutter. This provides an innovative approach to food preparation, allowing users to create thin or thick sheets from a variety of fruits and vegetables, such as zucchini, apples, and cucumbers. This attachment is particularly useful for those interested in alternative, low-carb meal options, as it facilitates the creation of fresh, natural substitutes for pasta and wraps. Constructed from durable metal, the vegetable sheet cutter ensures long-lasting performance and stability. Additionally, all blades and accessories are top-rack dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. KitchenAid Tilt Head Flex Edge Beater. Designed to enhance mixing efficiency, this beater is a valuable accessory for KitchenAid 4.5 and 5-quart tilt head stand mixers. This beater features a flexible edge that scrapes ingredients from the sides of the bowl, ensuring thorough mixing while reducing the need for manual scraping. By accelerating the mixing process and improving ingredient incorporation, this attachment contributes to superior baking results. Additionally, the Flex Edge Beater is dishwasher safe, allowing for effortless maintenance and convenience. With these KitchenAid attachments, your stand mixer just became the ultimate kitchen multitasker. But if you're looking to level up your kitchen even more, you won't want to miss our video on the 30 best Ninja gadgets. To air fryers that do it all, these Ninja tools will take your cooking to the next level. Check this video out.